Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I just want to go over and show you what happened to the gutter cleaning Charlottesville site since I did the citations, the social properties, and the linking from the supporting sites. Now I did all that round about the 18th, 20th of last month, so 20th of June, and today it is the 21st of July, sorry, the 12th of July. Got my numbers round the wrong way then. So if I do, what is the date? So it's the 12th of July. Obviously, I'm Wakefield, so it might be a different date if you're in some other part of the world. So as you can see, the site is, according to Google, up at position 12 for gutter cleaning Charlottesville. Now, when I did them, I did a snapshot of the actual data studio report then. And as you can see, gutter cleaning Charlottesville was a position 27. And this was done on the 20th of the 6th. So, and then VA was at 28. Gutter cleaning services at 25. Gutter cleaning services nationwide is at 82, but I'm not bothered about that. I'm only targeting VA. Gutter cleaning near me, if we have any people in Charlottesville who wouldn't mind trying that search and let me know whereabouts I'm sitting, that would be good. Now we've got Charlottesville gutter cleaning. Now, as you can see, there's like 199 searches or impressions. So there's 199 searches for Charlottesville there. Then 72, then 53. There's quite a lot of searches. In total, I'm in for 209 different keywords I'm being put in the search results for. So it's not bad. So, like I said, I just want to really push it up. So if we have a look now at what we are, where it is, if I do a search for gutter cleaning Charlottesville, then basically scroll down, we're not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're position 6. Okay, so position 6, we've got Charlottesville in. But then, just on page 2, position 10, 11 is my other Charlottesville site. Now, this is the one I started, but it within a month to a month and a half, it hadn't even indexed. So I restarted the whole course using gutter cleaning hyphen Charlottesville instead of that one. Now, previously, this one was on page 2, round about position 12. I've sent the citations to it, sent the links to it, and also did the social properties, and it's gone up onto page 1. So maybe if I do the same with this one, it will push itself up onto page 1 as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But then there's also, that's page 2. We're now on to page 3. That's 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Position 27, I've got gutter cleaning Crozet, which is another one of my sites. So that's another one what I can push up and then hopefully get like sort of 3 sites on page 1 for that term. But the other thing what I noticed, which is why I love using Google Analytics and Search Console, is because there is gutter cleaning leads. So gutter cleaning leads as 24 searches. So there's people actually looking for gutter cleaning leads. So if I change that to leads, now calling that I'm on position 24, we will see. I've probably gone, oh, that's even better. I'm on page 1. How about hang on. That's sponsored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm 6th on page for gutter cleaning leads. What if any of the other sites are anywhere near? It doesn't look like any of the other sites are anywhere near. But that join us page is a good thing to have on your site, because basically I get a lot of lead buyers sign up to my normal site from this thing. Now, what I've done with this one is I've got this form on and it goes to my demo lead simplify site. So basically, if anybody does join, then they will come through to there and I'll be able to see them. Not that I'll be contacting anything like that, because obviously I'm in the UK, but I'll show you like sort of what happens if people do join through it. But that's not bad, because I've not really done anything for that. I mean, I'm on page 1 for it. Got gutter clean services 53. So I could probably push this and get that higher, but all I'm doing is pushing this gutter cleaning. I want this to be in there on the top 3, and then get the other 2 on there as well, and see if I can get any more on there. And that's it. That was just a quick update on what's going on with the site. Hope you liked it, guys. Catch you in the next video. Bye.